Hello everyone, today I'm here to draw in MS Paint. So you can choose one of these brushes or pens. Now, I personally use this pen the most. You can make it bigger, put in that, and boom. That's it's just as you can see. Little background. So what I'm gonna teach you guys is how to draw a dog. Now, first for a dog, you can choose this little oval shape here, and you stretch out like that. There's the body of the dog, and you click around here, and you make the head. Where you can drag this like that. Here with the head. And now I'm gonna use this little curvy line right here. Now if we put it like this. Oh, it just looks straight. Alright. Then you can choose a part of it where you want to bend. So that means we can let's put it like around there. And then we add on to it. Like that. And we've got a curvy little tail. And I use this to make his little feet. I draw in all lines like that. That's the straight tool. Now remember, dogs have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 4. And now, not on the legs. Let's do the ears, because dogs a lot of the time have ears. I'm thinking here. That's a good little ear right there. That's a good ear. Then we do that. And there's 2 ears for a little dog. We do a little dot first on nose, a little circle. And then even a good old smile. Because he's a dog. He's happy to be a dog. Let's put some eyes. Now, dogs don't have eyebrows, but we want them to look cute. We'll put little eyebrows on right there. Now, this should be done, but if you see this little thing here, it's called the fill tool. And then, what color do we want our dog? We want it to be white and black. Like a Dalmatian, so you get this circle tool, and we should, do the circle in black. Now use this select tool to select over it. Then you can drag it away. But then, what if I want to keep it? If you Control C, then Control V, you can copy and paste. And if I don't say so myself, that kind of looks pretty cool. Here's the measurement with the dots. Now we can colour in the dots with the fill tool. So you think that's cool? Right, yeah, that's how you draw a dog in MS Paint. Now just a little extra learning lesson with Oliver. I'll show you all the different brushes. That's the first brush, is this one. And you can change the size of all of these brushes with that. And I use the second brush, which is like the fountain pen looking one. That's got a cool effect. And it's kind of the same, but it's a different line thing. I got spray paint, which is just for if you hold it down and you just slowly drag it, makes a cool darker color thing, more noticeable. And I've got another brush which is like that, so you can kind of see the background color. Now you can see this is the crayon one, which kind of looks like a crayon. And this one is the marker pen, which is solid, but you can still see a bit of the overlap. Yeah. Like Bob Ross says. Now this is just a pencil crayon. So that's small. Like a pencil crayon is. The last one is this kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like Big Daddy, call him Big Daddy, but it's more delicate. When it starts off still thin, and it starts to get bigger. So yeah, and a cool little thing to do is see where it says edit colors. So you can make your own color. Make it bright, make it a little grey. And if you don't want grey, we can make it like that kind of